Hello, my fragrance friends, and today I'm holding this perfume. It's Sakeena by Lattafa, and this perfume, it has been actually quite a while since I bought Middle Eastern perfume, because recently I made a haul from other brands' perfume, like skipping Middle Eastern ones. But this one again is Middle Eastern perfume, and this one is a little bit different. I got a sample of this perfume before, and it's a small, tiny sample, and at first I couldn't understand it, but there was something ozonic, like something that kind of I wanted to smell it again and again about this perfume. And because the sample was so small, I thought, let me try to buy a big one, because there's something that keeps drawing me, more and to smell more and more from this perfume. I might be wrong actually, because it could be once I'm gonna have it in my hands, the big bottle, I might not want it to use it a lot. But let's see how it goes. I will actually unbox it. It's by Lattafa. This perfume is by Lattafa. It doesn't. This perfume is not it doesn't have any oud or anything. It's completely towards different side, towards like sweet side, and like a fruity side. So that's the beautiful box. It looks pretty good. So I wonder which way I should open it. Expiration date is great. It's freshly made perfume, and it feels really good. And let me have a look how to open it. Oh, look at this. Here we go, guys. This one is a presentation for you. So that's how perfume looks like, and it looks really good. This perfume looks really good, and it's pretty nice. Through the presentation, as we can see. So isn't it cool? It's pretty cool. So let's have a look. Look at this perfume now. And this perfume has this type of velvety. Look at this velvety type of, I don't know what it is, but it's covered by this type of smooth, material that it's really nice, guys. It's like a royal, and it wasn't expensive. It wasn't, guys, expensive. I hope that the lid is not gonna start falling off and the perfume will not start leaking there. Nothing much I can smell, but let's spray it on and we can read about it. So this perfume, it's sweet, fruity, rosy type of tropical vanilla. And what else? What else? So it's floral, fruity fragrance for women, and it was in 2022 it was launched, and it has passion fruit. So let's read it, guys. It has passion fruit, it has ozonic notes, and then it has mandarin orange, it has raspberry, rose, sea salt, orange blossom, toffee, praline, vanilla, and musk. So many type of sweet things. So what are from those fruity notes is some kind of passion fruit and what, raspberry. And then after that it goes those type of base notes like vanilla, musk, toffee type of sweeting. And there's something, what is also ozonic notes? So those ozonic notes that makes this perfume kind of interesting. And let's have a look, guys. People say it's moderate lasting. It's definitely for women. And then what else is there? It's basically that some people say that it doesn't smell good on the clothes. But then for some people say it does. So they say it's pretty long lasting, and basically it's pretty interesting. So let's see. Everybody has different opinions. Really, everybody has such a different opinions. Let's spray it. Let me see what will happen if I spray myself. I shouldn't rub. Excuse me. I just cannot get rid of this habit. So it's pretty. How to say? It's pretty strong, powerful perfume with those fruity vibes. But there's something. At first, it's pretty harsh type of notes, type of, like a raspberry notes there, those type of a little bit too harsh, like doesn't feel like it would be like a expensive perfume, more like cheap perfume. But at the same time, there is those ozonic notes or like sea salt notes that something makes you want to smell together with that sweetness, something that makes you want to smell again and again. So I don't know, guys. I never wore this perfume in public, so I don't know. But you know what we can do? What we can do is I can just spray my hair a little bit and see how this perfume will change within time. how I shouldn't rub, sorry, excuse me, how this perfume is gonna change, you know, because it will, obviously this harshness supposed to fade away and supposed to feel better. Like at the moment when I'm smelling, it's a bit harsh, you know, because I just sprayed it, like it's a bit harsh. But what will happen after? Let me spray, as they say, you know, like people have different opinions about how would that smell on the clothes. Let me spray on the clothes, and I will keep on smelling it, you know, throughout the day to experience what it is. Whew. It's pretty, like, smells affordable right now, but I will give some time, you know. There is also some sort of pink version of this one. I think it's Haiti, or what's the name? I remember I smelled it in the shop before, and it wasn't enough for me to convince me to buy it, you know, that pink version. So those Middle Eastern perfumes are just like that, guys. Can be smelling harsh, can be, it's affordable, sometimes can smell harsh, but then at the same time, some people get compliments with it. And then at some point, very often, at least myself, sometimes I just get fed up of the smells, and then I don't want to wear it again. But what will be this one? I am curious to know. I will update you. I will update you about the situation. How does this smell? Some people say that this one is like a femme fatale type of scent because it's it's pretty strong and it's a little bit unusual, you know, in the sense of those type of berry smell and plus ozonic smell and plus that sweetness, you know. This is some kind of like a femme fatale ozonic fruity perfume. It's just, I don't know, how does that feel after everything little bit, you know, tones down, you know. I don't know yet. I don't know. I really don't know how would people react to this perfume. That's the thing. I want to have like a strong wind blowing on my hand in order to realize how this perfume would smell, you know. I wonder, does anybody has this perfume? Do you have this perfume? Maybe you could write down here, what's your experience? So far, I still want to sniff it. I still want to smell it because there's something about ozonic, you know. I don't know. I never had a perfume with ozonic notes. That's what it is. Ozonic type of salty, you know. Let's see how it goes. I will update you. I just don't know, guys. It's interesting, you know. It's interesting. From the Middle East perfumes, this one is interesting one. It's some perfume that intrigued me in some kind of way. I will let you know. See you soon. Have a good day.